Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another tool, new AI tool review. The tool we are going to talk about today is freepik.com. So with this tool you can not only create images but you can sell these images and you can make money by selling images which you are creating here for free. Now, before I can proceed with the details, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So, on this note, let's move ahead and understand how we can create images using Freepik and sell them online to make money. So the official website freepik.com, once you create an account you can see there are various options: vectors, photos, AI images, icons, videos, PSD, 3D fonts, etc. So we scroll down further, you can see trending images which are already been created by various creators. You can join the Freepik community and interact with other creators. So vectors, free vectors, supposing you are into web designing and all, you might be very familiar with. Now here are a few templates which is there. Now it is similar to, and it is part of their VPIC is a recent review which I have done, and it is from the Freepik in itself. So if you've seen that video, you'd come to know that it comes with a lot of editing options. Now let's say, so you can see here logos for a menu, a certificate, a logo, and loads of other things can be done, and you can go ahead and edit it. So let's select a sample over here. Now let's say I'm selecting this particular certificate over here. So you can see this is a premium one, so you can't basically edit it, but there are lots of free versions too. So let us check some. So let's check this one. So you can see this is a free one. It can be downloaded or it can be edited. So let's go to the edit option. So once you select this, you can see you're going to be shown various other related kind of images. So if you're not satisfied with this, you can go ahead and before editing pick up something from this designs over here. Lots of similar designs will be out in front of you. So I'll just select this. Now let's say I'm not happy with the color scheme over here. You just go and click here. Now you can see over here all the colors which have been used will be shown over here. So if you want to change the color, you just select the color appropriate whichever you want. Like in this particular color, I want to change this. So I just start scrolling. You can see the effect over here. This is basically the text part which was there. You can see. So this is what you can do. Now the white background which is there here. Okay, I can change that to the golden part which is there. So you can change the colors, make it red. So coming over here, the blue part, and you see you can play around with the colors. I'm selecting the orange theme over here, and you can see now this particular strip is orange. Now the blue part over here, let's select it and make it orange and green again. So you see this also has turned out to be green. So you can play around with the colors, and then if you want the text over here, you just go ahead, click it to my name. If you have some logo, you can go ahead, change this, delete this, add your logo, the content over here and use it. Then these are the template basically. Then there are text over here if you want to add something like a code, a word kind for text over here, you can do that. And elements, if you need to, of course, you wouldn't like, let's say there are see all, let's say some element we want to add over here in the certificate. So yeah, I don't like this. I'm going to delete this particular element, and I'm going to introduce this over here, reduce this size, and here you go. So I'm going to add this particular element on this certificate, and then I'm going to try and change the color. Sorry. So you can see I've changed the color. Okay, I want the theme matching, so I'll go with the gold. Okay, this is the color which you want to change, so you need to select that, and then I think you can make it straighter. Yeah, here you can. This is how you can change it across. So the color you want to change, you select here, and the output you want, you select over here. Now this is matching, so elements is what we have picked up from here. Then this, of course, this particular stickers and all you wouldn't be using here. If you need to add photos, now this is, I'm showing you across because I don't want to repeat the whole thing over here. Then of course in the certificate you're not going to add any video uploads over here. Now if you have a custom image which you want to change, you can always change over here. Like for the matter, I want to customize it, I don't want to put a logo, rather I want to add this particular image over here. Let's say I want to add this, so I'll take over here and select this face over here. Now I don't want the background over here, so I'm going to say remove background. There you go. This looks quite beautiful, so it's like a personalized uh, image out over here. We have further options of cropping it and lots of other things. And if you want, you can go ahead and add some. I'm sure that should be something called as not cropping, filters, masking. You can mask this particular image to make it sort of round here in a star. So a lot of options out over here how you can go ahead and edit it. So this was as far as upload. Now AI presentation and all I will show you separately out over here. So this is about how you can go about editing your image, and the size you need to select over here, like you want a portrait one for your mobile or landscape for your laptop, desktop. And here are the various sizes, output sizes, which you can select by default: A4, A5, business card, desktop wallpaper, Facebook cover, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, etc. So these are all the options which will be available if you are making it for your this thing, editing option. The premium ones you can't do anything about it. So there are various things you can yeah, this is vectors. When you say, you can basically use a calendar, menu, anything. If you whatever you want, you might be creating like a certificate is an example what I've shown you. Then you can go create a menu, create a logo. The same way you can go edit this particular logo, trying to create a free calendar or a YouTube thumbnail, and loads of other things can be done over here. Now besides that, you have the option of photos over here. You can see people and moments. You can basically let's say people and emotions. Let's select this category, and you can see over here poverty photos, racism, hunger. I don't know why all negative emotions are being shown over here. Let's see. family photos, lady smiling photo. Okay, this is something which looks good. So here you can go and use these photographs uh, over here, a smiling photograph. So these are from the photos part of it. Then AI images, as you can see, this is new. You can go ahead and create AI images. So let's try it out. So I'm not sure whether the AI part free or is some character limitation. Okay, create create a image of a young girl jumping with joy on graduation day, and let's say search. So you can see over here that when you select this, it's I guess showing you created images already which are there. You can see these are created by other users. Their usernames can be seen over here which have been created. So basically more than creation over here, it is already showing you images which have been created by others. Now let's see this over here. So if you want to use this, you need to go premium out over here. So the AI image generation part could be premium for you. So there are videos over here. You can select some which are there. Now so this is from Freepik. Some of the videos you might need to give what do you call it? I don't know. I think it's called attrition or something. I don't recollect it quite, wherein you might need to point out to the original creators. So there are videos which are there which can be used. Now here you can download with a watermark sample. If you go premium, you can use it. So basically the rest of the things like the editing and basic images are free, and the AI image part over here is something which you can use from others. And the reason behind that, I would say, is the most important part will come to like the self photos. So once you have created on the same website Freepik, they offer you a contributor account. So basically you can sell photos, vectors and PSD designs on Freepik, become a Freepik contributor, make money selling your images and designs. So you just create, upload your graphic resources to our tool, make money per download. Your resources for download your resources get as simple as that. So that means like when you are going to go ahead and downloading someone's content, they are going to be paid for that. Likewise, when you create content and that is downloaded by people, they are going to get paid for that. So besides that, they have other projects like Flaticon, Slidesco, Storyset, Video. These are a new website in itself. So I'm going to separately cover them. But I hope that you like this particular video, especially for the fact that I'm sharing out with you an opportunity wherein you can not just create but also earn from your creations. So do let me know your feedback in the comment section. How you like this particular tutorial, this review, and the opportunity to make money online, creating free photos and selling it. So before ending off, a humble request, please like this video, please share this across, and if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.